In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate accounting firm processes using Zapier and Financial Sense. Automation can really help streamline your workflow, making it more efficient and saving you precious time. So let's dive in. First, we need to head over to the Zapier website. If you're not already familiar with Zapier, it's a tool that connects various apps, allowing them to work seamlessly together without any manual intervention. Open your web browser and type in Zapier.com. Once you're there, you'll want to find the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the straightforward sign-up process. Great, now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zapier homepage. This is your starting ground where you'll build what's known in Zapier terms as Zaps. Zaps are essentially automated workflows that connect your apps and services. To get started, look for the Zaps tab, which is typically found in the menu or toolbar. Click on it to proceed. Now, it's time to create a new Zap. Imagine this Zap as a recipe where you're putting together different steps. A trigger followed by one or more actions. To begin crafting your Zap, click on the Create a Zap button. This will lead you into the Zap editor, where you'll see the first step, setting up a trigger. This trigger is what begins your whole workflow. You'll want to click on the trigger option to select. In this context, since we're focusing on accounting firm processes, we're going to integrate with an app that caters to those needs. So, click on App following the trigger. You'll come across a list of available apps that Zapier can connect to. For our purposes today, find and select Financial Sense, which is a valuable tool designed specially for accounting firms to manage and streamline their workflow more effectively. Once you select Financial Sense, you'll be asked to choose a specific trigger event. This could be something like a new client being added or a task being completed. Essentially, any event in Financial Sense that would set off this automation. Configuring this properly is crucial, so take a moment to think about what events in your accounting process should automatically lead to other actions. And that's a quick walkthrough on setting up the beginnings of an automated workflow using Zapier and Financial Sense. You can go on to add actions similar to how we have set a trigger, completing the loop of tasks you wish to automate. With automation, you'll find that processes that once took considerable manual effort now happen seamlessly in the background. Remember, automation is a powerful asset that enables you to focus your attention on growing your business rather than being bogged down by repetitive tasks. Thanks for tuning in to today's session, and happy automating!